We are at a new listing on Lake BUTEAU, which is in the Harrison Hills area. And this is a cute little 2-bedroom cabin with a loft, nice little garage with a loft, finished area. He calls that a little pavilion. It does have a little fire pit area. There is a tree stand up there. There is a nice long driveway. This is very private. It's on the end of a dead-end private road. Not much of a view, but you could cut open a viewing quarter. They just didn't, and then they have a path that goes down to the water. So they did gravel the path, so you could potentially, drive a ATV down here. I don't know about a UTV, but this is just a look back. So there's our path coming down. There is a little landing here and a couple steps going down to the water. So this is a beautiful 80 plus feet deep clear water lake. A gorgeous property. Very few year-round people on the lake, and it is super clear. You can kind of see there's an old dock section down in there. Very good water quality, probably 17 plus feet deep you can see down. There's only about 15 steps up to there, but then you have that gravel path, which is quite a distance from the house. Just trying to show most of the lake is very sand bottom. It's just that they have not used. So coming in, it is a open living room kitchen. There's a little side area here for entryway, a bench. There is a window AC that they leave in. There is electric baseboard heat in areas. This is the 1 bedroom that is on the main level. And then the loft, going up into the loft area. You have a freestanding stove. This is what they use to heat it when they are here. It would crank you out of here. It's a very efficient wood stove, dining, kitchen. It's got the rustic cabinets. Floor is laminate. Going into the bathroom, full bath with shower. And then there is the closet here that has washer dryer. So coming up in the loft area, there is a ladder. This is a sleeping area. And there is a door. And this is another separate sleeping area with window. It's all done in knotty pine. So in the bathroom is a trapdoor, and this is a small little basement area that has where the water comes in, hot water heater and pump. So coming up the driveway, this is a really good sized lot. This is a path that goes down to the water on Lake BUTEAU. Nice private lot. There is a really nice tree stand up here. He did hunt here, even though it's a small lot. There's a lot of surrounding property that is wooded and no neighbors that you can see here. They've got a really nice patio area. He calls it pavilion area. There is a metal roof that looks like shingles, a really nice high quality roof. Little covered porch here. There is a nice garage. So off of this little pavilion area, there is a storage shed that is attached. So you've got some storage in here for lake items and lawnmower. On this side of the house, there is the drilled well. They do have a nice antenna for catching the local Packer games. So this is the woods behind. There's another look at that roof. So just a really pretty area with lots of maples, and you can kind of see the deer stand. Just gonna zoom in. There is that deer stand right there. So it is on a crawl space, and then under this part, these vents go into that basement part. So basement just under this part here, which was added on for the bathroom years ago. This was just a cabin with an outhouse, but they added the bathroom and this really nice big garage, and there is a loft area up there. Here's your conventional septic, and drain field goes out behind. And this cabin is basically right in the middle of the lot. So this is insulated, like 1.5 car garage, I guess I would call this. Does have the garage door opener. Nice tall ceilings in here. Again, it's all insulated and sheeted. And then there is a loft area. So this is the loft area. They did have electric baseboard heat in here, so this is a heated area.